So I'm going to try to do a new hairstyle. It's going to be cornrow twist cornrows. I'm not really sure what they actually call it, but it's going to be the twist going down alongside my head there. Right now I just took some braids out and a ponytail out, so it's a little bit coarse in the back and the front is softer. So we're going to attempt to do this hairstyle. I have the hair/body butter right here. This container is a 1 ounce. So the ingredients consist of aloe vera, carrots, ginger, olive oil, avocado oil, shea butter, and mango butter. That is what is in this product. I use it on my skin. That you can rub it on your scalp. It does a healing action, and that's pretty much all I can say about it. So the consistency is, this is it, a nice yellow. You can rub it anywhere. So I actually put it on my face as well. Gives me that nice glow. Like I said, it's full body butter, scalp, hair, everything. So, pause. Or maybe not. Let's try to attempt. I have a partial part, but I'm gonna start with a new one here. And I'm gonna attempt, this is for the first time ever, attempt this side twist. Well, that wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, because I didn't comb my hair in advance. So I don't think I really need that much. I'm gonna put some here just to kind of keep it readily available for me. And put it like this, if the twist does not come out the way I wanted it to, then I will just switch back to my regular cornrows that I normally do. This is my detangling brush. I have it also for sale on the site. I usually start from the bottom and just go up. Like I say, this piece is not as bad as the back. The back will be a little bit more difficult. I probably might even dampen it. And like I said, this hair product is really good for the scalp. So you rub it right on the scalp. It attempts to heal and bring shine to your hair. All right, let's try this twist row out. This is my first time doing it. I'm gonna try it now. And here we are. don't laugh at me because, like I say, it's my first time doing it. Look at it so far. I don't know. What do you guys think? How is it coming out? I feel like I need a rubber band right here to stop it from unraveling. Let's see what happens. I'm still twisting. You can see that buddy butter just sitting there nicely yellow, nice and bright. Look at that, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. What do you think? I don't know. I think it kind of got loose at the end there. So, I'm gonna try to rest. Stay tuned, I'll be back. I think I like this one better. That one came out a little bit better. I feel like this one did something here. It kind of like raised up. I'm gonna just redo it real quick. Just because I think it did something that it wasn't supposed to do. So I'm gonna go run it back here. Run it back to the top. Maybe because I just parted this one a little bit thicker, I think. I just took a little bit out in the back. That's a little bit better. I'm gonna come back. So right now, I'm pre-parting it. I'm doing about, I would say 4 in the back. And I'm doing it like at a slant, just so that it looks a little bit kind of like designed, if you will. I'm not gonna comb it out just yet. I'm just separating it into the sections and then like putting a little twist in the section so that it stays put. Right now I just did 2. 1, 2, and then this one is going to be, I'm gonna put my stuff, my product in after, but I just wanted to show you how I'm doing this. I'm not in a mirror, right? Obviously, so just doing a quick. I don't want to spend too much time parting it or getting the prep work done. At least not today. Right now it's just more to see if I can get these twists done and see how nice they come out. I could always, you know, refresh them, redo them, things like that. So right now it's just parting it. I want to get this hairstyle as accurate as possible to the pictures that I've seen online. So for right now, we got this section, we got this section. I'm trying not to put too much meat in each section. So that's the objective at this very moment. This one looks like I gave it a lot, but like I said, it's my first time doing it. So we got 4. And because they're separated, it'll be a little bit easier to comb out. This one kind of came loose, you can tell. I'm just retwisting it so that it can be easier to comb these 4 sections out. I'm gonna come across and put the product in between each part. You just apply it, rub it in, massage your scalp. It feels so good. And then you got one more right here. I think I already did this one, but I'm gonna come back and do it again. And then I just, you know, go do the other side. So this one, I just wrapped it up. See that? I'm gonna do the other side and do my 4 here. That way they're already ready to rumble. And then I'm gonna come back to you.